Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to our Abudhabi showroom in Musaffa. We're leaving from Dubai. So it takes around 1 hour, almost 1.5 hours to reach there. So it's around 136 kilometers. We're now in Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. There are almost 6 lanes here in each side. This is one of the biggest roads in UAE. It connects almost all the Emirates. Hi, this is Mr. Ghulam. We're now in our Abu Dhabi branch. He's one of our most senior member and he is very senior in this industry as well. Sir, can you explain the material for us?
So this is red brandy, West Malaysia.
This is one of the most popular timber selling here in UAE.
What is the purpose of this umbrella?
Mostly carpenters are using for furniture.
It is basically used for frames, carpentry, the making of doors.
For door frames, it is used for the marine purpose, like for swimming pools, all those things.
And it's actually a mixture of lot of species within the Meranti family. It's very popular because this has been used for many years. It's also used for boat making and ship making and all those things. And we foresee that the Meranti wood is going to be more and more popular in the coming months.
This is white wood. It comes from Romania. Different sizes are there. Mostly it is used in the construction purpose, in the construction field, like 1x4 and 3x3. Majorly it is used only in the construction field. And sometimes it's used in the carpentries also, to making the beds and all those things.